Welcome to Vegworks. Today's recipe is the skirted Kara Kadbu. Kara Kadbu is a specialty of Karnataka. Now for this dish, we would be making it in two parts. First part would be the filling and the second part would be the outer covering. Now for the filling, we would require about half a cup of Bengal gram or chana dal, half a cup of freshly grated coconut, a combination of red and green chilies, and some curry leaves, a pinch of asafoetida, some chopped coriander, and salt to taste. Now the first step would be to soak the Bengal gram for about an hour or so till it doubles up in size. Now I've already done that. It's done now. So what we have to do is now grind the dal with the chili and the curry leaves and the asafoetida. So let's start grinding. Yeah. Now it's ground. We need a coarse paste. What we will do is we will transfer it into a plate and then steam it. You can transfer it into a plate or bowl, anything, your choice. You can just transfer it and steam it. The gram mixture has been steamed and it is absolutely ready. Now what we're going to do is heat up a pan with about 2 tablespoons of oil. Drop in the asafoetida. And now add in the gram mixture. Wait for it to get powdered. Then we add some salt. And some coconut. In case you feel it's a bit dry, sprinkle some water and make it a bit moist. For the outer covering, we would require about 2 cups of rice flour, 2 tablespoons of ghee, 4 tablespoons of milk, salt to taste, and we've got a different color for the skirting. So I've taken coriander with green chili for one, red chili for the other one, and saffron for the third color. Now what you have to do is to grind the coriander and the green chili here, and you have to just strain it, pass it through a sieve, so you get only the green color water. Here I've done the same thing with the red chili, and this is for the saffron. Just soaked it in water. No salt has been added in this because I'm going to add the salt in this. For 2 cups of rice flour, I am boiling about 2.5 cups of water. It's boiling already. Now we add in the ghee. The salt. The milk. Once the ghee has melted, we can switch off the gas and add in the flour. we need to cover this and leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes. The dough is now a little bit cool, so we have to knead it to a very nice smooth dough. It will take about 3 to 4 minutes to actually get it into a smooth, nice and smooth. The dough is now ready. What we have to do is divide it into two parts. One part is for the white and the other part is for the color. So we need a little more for the color. So this will be the white portion, and then we take this as the color portion. Now for the color, again we have to divide it into three for the three colors. So we take it as 1, 2, and 3. To the whites. So we have 3. Now what I'm going to do is add colors individually to the 3. Okay, now I'll first separate. Now I have one portion. I'm going to add the red color to it. It's just for color, so you need not add too much. Just about a tablespoon is more than enough. And now blend it well so that the color is evenly spread onto the dough. This is done. There you go. The 3 colors is absolutely ready for making. Okay, now all the dough and the stuffing and everything is ready. Now we have to assemble it. We will need a rolling pin, a plank and 2 sheets. You have to grease the sheets and keep it. Now first, before we start, I'll just show you what we'll do with one of the colors. You need to take a small amount of any colored dough which you have, and we need a nice tubular structure, a long tube. This is what we will be using for the skirting. Okay, as uniform as possible you can get. Make it. Then we take a small amount of dough, not much, not very big. You flatten it a bit, and then skirt it completely like this. The excess you can throw it off, and now seal it like this so that all the gaps are closed. Then you will need grease these sheets, because then only it will be easy for it to come out. Take this out. Okay, so this is the reason why we need this sheet. Now see, it's absolutely thin. Now we need to put in a stuffing. Close it. Once this is done, we need to seal this completely. So you go like this, seal it this way. the skirted kadbu is ready. You can make it with all the other colors as well.